Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So today is going to be a bit of a different video compared to the last ones that I've been doing. Today I'm going to do a portfolio update, and then I'm going to suggest some apps that I think that everyone should use in order to get the best information, in order to make the best decisions when buying stocks or any other commodity. So I've made a few changes compared to the last video that I did. I decided to get rid of all the physical companies, and arguably physical companies, such as airlines and other companies, cars manufacturing. I used to own Ford. And I decided to go to more technology based companies, as you guys will be able to see just now. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the like button. So let's go through it. So I decided to increase 2 shares at AMD. Now I own 3 shares at AMD with an average price of $49.05. And I'm currently seeing a return of £9.20. Not really mad about that. I'm actually happy about this one. Next one is Apple. I increased 6.4 shares at Apple. Now own 7.4. I used to have 1, with an average price of $284.49, and currently seeing a nice return of £107.96. I believe that you guys, if you guys want to open a position in a company where you guys are not sure how the company is going to perform or how the future of the industry of the economy is, I think that Apple is a recession and pandemic free stock. The company is going to perform well regardless. I mean, you can argue that the fact that they're not going to be able to, have the stores open and everything, but I believe that Apple is such a big company and they have such a wide distribution of online products that they will be performing well regardless of anything that is happening. So if you're looking to a safe place to put your money, Apple is definitely a company you should be looking into. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on pandemic free and recession free stocks to invest in. I'll happily do that. So the next one that I have, it's Fiverr. Fiverr is a company that operates in so basically all it does is it's an online marketplace which offers all type of jobs and services. So basically, if you're looking for someone to do a logo, if you're looking for someone to do a publicity, like anything, like music videos, instrumentals, anything, you go to Fiverr and you find someone able to do it for you at a very low price. So basically, people compete in terms of prices to offer you the best price, and you can sort of negotiate what the price is and regarding to what you want to get. So I decided to acquire this company because I believe that because of the future that we have ahead, people will be sort of shifting their jobs and services to online marketplaces. So that's why I decided to open a position at Fiverr. I have 10.5 shares with an average price of 44.51, and I'm currently seeing a return of £6. Next one is Shopify. So basically both Fiverr and Shopify, I've just opened them before I started the video. I just opened the position in them. That's why you don't see significant returns on them. So Shopify, I have 0.55 shares. Shopify is considerably more expensive than Fiverr. I have 0.55 shares with average price of 724.48 and a return of £1.24. They're currently selling for trading for 227. Next one is Teladoc. Teladoc is, if you don't know, Teladoc is a company that provides online health services. So you can sort of see a doctor through Teladoc, and I believe that this is a company that is going to do well in the future. The reason why I'm seeing negative returns on them is because I got in a very bad time. After I got in, it was dropping already when I got in. So it was actually a bad move. I thought it was just going to drop and then bounce back and go back up, but it wasn't the case. However, the company has been performing well for a very, very, very long time. So I'm really confident that the company is going to bounce back from this once things start to get better. Next one is Tesla. Well, if you own Tesla, you will be familiar with what happened in the past week. So basically, Elon Musk made a tweet saying that the Tesla stock was overpriced, or was too high in his opinion, and the stock, as you can see here, just dropped considerably after the news, and it dropped to about 701. Ever since then, it's been recovering, but obviously, Tesla lost a very big market value or market cap, because of Elon Musk's tweet. Well, as you know, is being a Tesla stock owner, is sort of a roller coaster, especially when Elon Musk tweets. But besides that, I'm really happy with owning Tesla. Is one of the companies that I think is going to do very well in the future. So next one is Zoom. Well, as you know, Zoom is a video online calling company, or a communication company that provides video conference videos, conference calls. Sorry. I own 6.4 shares at Zoom, and I have an average price of 166.81, and I'm seeing a negative return of £92.94. So basically, these are the companies that are in my portfolio. I'll definitely be doing some changes this week depending on how Fiverr and Shopify go. I'll just see how that's gonna go. So now I'll be showing you guys the apps that I think that everyone should be using, and these are the 6 apps that I think everyone should be using. Yahoo Finance is the first one. Obviously, it provides you a view on companies and provides you news on the markets. It allows you to explore companies. So let's say we want to search for a company, let's say Apple here. You press Apple, this is the first view you get, and then you get key statistics to look at the company, and you also get news on the company specifically. So I believe this is a very good app if you guys just want to get an insight, if you're trying to buy or acquire a company that you don't have an idea and on how the company operates. So the next one is TradingView. The reason why I use TradingView is usually when I'm trading, I'm using CDFs or CFDs. And this provides a very detailed view on how the CFD is performing. So, and it provides a candle chart, which is very useful if you're doing day trading. So this is a very useful company for charts specifically. Next one is Freetrade. Freetrade is sort of trading 212. If you're looking for an alternative regarding to trading 212, if you don't like the way trading 212 looks, it just provides a different view on how that works. The next one is investing.com. I really like investing.com, for example, because it provides very detailed insights on the company, and you're able to see something that Trading 212 doesn't show, which is the changes throughout the company and how the stock is performing like every day. For example, when you get into a company stock, this is the view that you're gonna have, and then if you just slide to the side and then you go to historical data, this is what you're gonna get. You're able to see the price that the company was during that day, the open and the high, and then if you slightly slide to the side towards the end, here's the most important statistics that you want to have a look at, is the change percentage throughout the whole days. So as you can see here, the company that I've just acquired, Fiverr, they have been doing very well almost every day. You barely see reds here. You see 101, 102 there. But yeah, that's basically it. So when acquiring a company, this is actually something I look at. Especially if I want to do a quick money, like some quick money. I need to see that the company performs well, is in the green almost every day. Next one is trading.com. This is the company that I use to trade commodities and everything. Well, what you're seeing here is just a demo account because I'm just making some experiments. But yeah, this is a very good company, because good app, especially because they provide a low spread. This is very important when you're doing day trading. You need a company that provides a low spread, or a trader or broker that has a low spread. So yeah, and last one is just trading 212. that's pretty much it. So I have a return of 395 at the moment. I'm really happy with it. And let's just see if both Teladoc and Zoom start performing better somewhere this week. So thank you guys for staying tuned. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be doing this every week, guys. So let me know if you want me to do a very specific video on a specific topic. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you.